CO2 removal doesn't have to cost $2,000 per ton. We do it for just $11. Problem. Right now, tech companies are burning billions on carbon capture machines that are slow, energy-hungry, and impossible to scale. The smarter solution is already here: Paulownia trees. Nature's fastest carbon bank. We integrate them with real-time blockchain tracking, so every ton of CO2 is transparent, verifiable, and tradable as certified carbon credits. Fortune 100 companies are already pivoting to our nature-based solutions because they're affordable, measurable, and future-proof. Every hectare of Paulownia absorbs up to 10 times more CO2 than typical forests, while producing renewable lumber, biochar, and green energy feedstocks. That means carbon removal and economic growth side by side. Turn sustainability into your competitive advantage. Visit bioeconomysolutions.com today and be part of the $200 billion carbon economy.